Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, so today we are going to read a story about the kindness of rabbit. So you can see on your page, what is the name of the story? Kindness of rabbit. Okay, so what do you mean by kindness? Is it something good or something bad? Good, right? It is a good quality about anything. Kind means what? Daya. So same way in this story we are going to see how the rabbit is being kind to the bird, okay, and how he will help the bird to get out of the problem. Fine? Okay, let's start.
Story. It is spring. The rabbit comes out of his hole in the field.
So what season is going on in the story? Spring season. And how many seasons we have? Six. Monsoon, 5 seasons. Monsoon, summers, winters, then spring, right? So in the spring season, how is the spring season? The weather is very pleasant. Pleasant weather hota hai, very good, अच्छा weather hota hai. And the flowers also bloom around. हमारे आसपास new flowers bloom होते हैं. So what happened? The rabbit has come out of its burrow. Rabbit कहाँ रहता है? Where does it live? In the burrow. So it has come out of the hole in the field. What is the place field? Where the farmers grow crop. Field सुना है आपने? The farmers grow crop there. So the rabbit has come out in the field. Then what happened?
He saw a boy carrying a cage containing a book.
Then he saw, what you can see in the picture, a boy is carrying a cage and inside the cage there is a tiny bird. Okay, so you know, understand cage? Cage is what? पिंजरा, जिसमें आप अपने घर पे जब आप bird लाते हो तो where do you keep it? Inside the cage.
Bird. The boy hung the cage down a tree and sat to rest.
Then the boy sat to rest and it had hanged the cage where? On the tree. Okay, so it sat down to rest. So rest करने बैठ गया और उसने cage कहाँ रखा? On the tree. Then what happens?
It is spring. The rabbit comes out of his hole in the field. He saw a boy carrying a cage containing a bird. The boy hung the cage down a tree and sat to rest. The rabbit approached the cage.
Then the rabbit approached. Approach means it went near the bird. वो bird के पास गया and said, "Help me, my friend." उसने bird ने क्या बोला उसे? To help me. Why the bird wanted the help? Why? Can you understand? Because it was inside the cage. अगर आपको कोई cage में कोई पिंजरे में बंद कर देता है, then you will feel very afraid ना, you will fear. Then what happened? The bird was also not happy inside the cage and wanted that rabbit should help the bird.
Help me, my friend, the bird said. The rabbit felt sorry for the bird and whispered to him, "Pretend to be sick."
Then the rabbit was feeling very sorry, very bad for the bird because he was free, he can roam around, he can go anywhere, but the bird cannot. Bird को अगर कहीं भी जाना है तो it cannot go, it cannot fly, so it has to just sit inside the cage whole day. So the rabbit felt very sorry, उसको बहुत बुरा लगा bird के लिए, and he just came near the bird and whispered. Whispered means what? Talk very slowly. बहुत धीरे से उसके पास आके बोलता है pretend. Pretend मतलब वो उससे बोलता है he gave an idea to do acting. Act करो that you are very sick. वो उससे बोलता है कि तुम acting करो that you are not well.
The boy was angry. "Oh, rabbit, go away from my bird," he shouted.
So till then what happened? The boy saw that they both are talking and he got very angry. You can see the angry expression. The boy got very angry and just asked rabbit कि go away from my bird. उसने shout किया. He shouted, चिल्लाने लगा.
The rabbit fled away and hid behind a fence.
So the rabbit fled away. He went from there and hid. Hid मतलब छुप गया. He hid behind a fence. वो एक fence के पीछे छुप गया.
The bird turned upside down. He raised his legs and closed his eyes.
So you can see now the bird how he is acting. कैसे acting कर रही है bird कि वो बीमार है. So he just turned the legs upside. उसने अपने legs ऊपर कर लिए and closed the eyes. And he closed the eyes to show that he is not well. Okay.
What afflicted my bird? The bird cried with amusement.
So the boy was very shocked and he was asking कि what happened to the bird. वो एकदम से he was very scared कि bird को क्या हो गया.
He opened the cage and stretched out his arm to check the bird.
Then as soon as he opened the cage, उसने cage को open करा because he wanted to see that what happened to the bird. Then what happened?
The bird quickly slipped from the cage and fled away.
So the bird took the chance and as soon as she saw that the cage is open, she flew into the sky. वो वहाँ से उड़ गई. जैसे उसने देखा कि cage open हो गया है, now she can move out of the cage. तो वो देखते ही मौका वहाँ से उड़ गई.
He stopped on a tree and the rabbit ran towards him.
And the bird came and sat on the tree and the rabbit then went near the bird.
The bird perched near him and chirped, "Thank."
So the bird then said what to the rabbit? Thank you.
You. Margaret, kindness is giving hope to those who think they are all alone in this world.
So now what you have learned from the story, that if anybody who is alone, who needs help, we should be kind towards them, we should show kindness and we should help them. How the rabbit helped the bird. Same way, we should also help anybody who is around us. We should help them. If they are in trouble, we should give them suggestions so that they can be happy. Fine? So you have understood the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.